Hey guys, welcome to another Zeilhan tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to install the Google Analytics code to your WordPress website using Google Sitekit. You're also going to learn how to add analytics information from Google Analytics to your WordPress dashboard. So two things we're going to learn. We're going to learn how to install the Google Analytics code to our WordPress website, and we're also going to learn how to display Google Analytics information, just some basic information on our WordPress website, so we know where website traffic is coming from and where they're clicking and stuff like that. We made this website that you're seeing here in one of our previous tutorials. So if you would like to learn how to make this website, you can go ahead and watch that tutorial. The card will be linked here above. It's an affiliate marketing website. But enough of that, let's dive into the tutorial. So to get started, we're going to install the Google Analytics plugin by going to our dashboard, and we're going to plugin, add new plugin. We're going to type Google Analytics, or Google Sitekit here, and we're going to install. After installing, we are going to activate. Now that we've installed and activated our Google Sitekit plugin, we are going to click Start Setup. I'm going to allow them to collect information, but you don't have to select this. You can go without selecting it. Now we're going to sign in with Google. I'm going to select the Google account that your Google Analytics is added to. The thing that I want you to know is that if you haven't created your Google Analytics account and your profile and added your information so you can install the code to your website just yet, in the off chance that that is your case, we have a tutorial on Rank Math that teaches you how to do that. So in that Rank Math tutorial, it's going to be in the card above, it's going to be in the description below, how to use Rank Math on WordPress. We are going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics. So if you don't know how to set up Google Analytics, you can watch that tutorial, come back here, and then continue with this one. So we're going to just select the Google account with Google Analytics. We are going to select Continue, and we are going to select Continue, just to ensure that Google Sitekit has access to everything. Now on this stage, we're going to turn on metrics in your dashboard. So we're just going to click Allow. We are going to click Next. And if there's another step, click Next and then go to your dashboard. Now that you're on your dashboard, you're going to start seeing some information after a few days, maybe a day or two. But we've had this tutorial site set up. So we've had Google Sitekit on. You're going to have some basic information. This is just a tutorial website, like I said, so having 5 visitors, these are probably bots scrolling, searching the website. I don't think we will have much information here. Oh, would you look at that? We do have some information. And yes, so this is what we have going on for this website. We've added Google Sitekit to our website, and we've also installed Google Analytics code to our website. Now, we're going to just go back to settings on Google Sitekit. And here you see Search Console is connected. We are also going to notice that Google Analytics is connected. We can set up enhanced conversion tracking. We're not going to do that. And we also have Google PageSpeed Inside connected. That's giving us some information on our website speed. It says here the snippet is inserted, which is what I really wanted to show you. So our snippet for our Google Analytics is inserted. What we're going to learn how to do in the next tutorial is we're going to learn how to use Rank Math to SEO optimize our blog posts so that we can get more website traffic. So if you want to learn how to get more traffic to your website, go ahead and watch that tutorial. It's going to be right here. Thank you guys for watching. Hit subscribe and help us on our journey to 1,000 subscribers. And if you're interested in learning more about building a business online, a successful business online, go ahead and join our email list below. I'm going to teach you everything that I've learned over the past decade, and I'm continuing to learn for free. Link in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Until next time.